I told you, Johnny. You sick fuck. You can put that back on. That ain't nothing.
I gotta go find my fucking.
It tells you about RPMs and everything. So it's dope.
I'll smoke you a little man car.
Is that your son's car?
Hold on.
Oh wow, dude, you came any closer. You like,
huh?
You like kissed it.
2.6.
6?
That's a 110 scale.
Right?
You know what I was
I was street.
Oh shit. Little man car hit a 2.4.
Damn.
Little man coming for me, huh? It was outside holding. Something's slipping.
I heard that. I think it'll help it out.
2.3. Little man shit just ran a 2.3.
2-3. You're gaining a tenth every time you put down the track.
Slow it down now.
It runs at a speed like right 3/4.
He got me. He got me in the big end.
What did it run, Dre?
2.8.
280.
I only 38 miles, so either he let off or I met Kevin. Where you at? Oh shit. He smokes you, bro. He smoked. Look, that's the Losi. Oh, he red light? Ooh. That slash was moving though, boy. We got the blue slash versus the blue Losi. Oh, let's set them up again. Oh no. Ooh. Ooh.
Let's go, Brian. Let's go, Brian.
That Spurgeon is doing something.
My car is running behind you. I'm ready to go.
I offered him.
Hey, you don't like iced tea?
It's ready. Alright, so we had that Losi versus the Traxxas and that Losi one. So now we're gonna see what these two do. I don't know, he getting them on. He getting you off the line, bro. He getting you off the line.
He's gonna buy a car for his family because he's having another kid.
Yeah.
So he just said it would be back up for sale when the title comes in 6 weeks. So I just said, I'll still buy it now for my offer.
Ah, that was a tight race.
Dude.
Oh,
really? Yeah. Yeah, well, I gotta see if this
Yeah, I got it. That's why I haven't ran my other cars, because I've been switching back and forth with my 2 batteries on.
Ooh. Get up out of there. Get up out of there. I know I'd have totaled that thing.
Like, aboard.
Huh? Maybe on foams, but I can't get it down there without doing a wheelie. Every time. See? I ain't gonna run shit.
Well, what did you ease into it?
That's what it did. That was easing into it. And it's
Like
still.
you were doing over here.
That's a speed run. Getting on 132, I gotta get into it.
A nice number.
You think so?
Yeah, I think like you easing in, it should go like a 2-0. Definitely.
This guy, bring. I put foams on it, it'll run something, but on these tires, 4S or 3S, I'll be able to come out the hole and run those numbers, but not with all this power. And drop that shit like that.
To drive that shit.
Fucking with. Damn, and my battery popped out.
That was too much.
Fucking with him. Hey.
Just doing it, Brian.
Jesus Christ, Brian.
He had the whole front of the car up there.
Oh, yeah, nice. He pulled it off for a little bit.
He red lighted.
No, that thing, it made it off right there.
Whoa!
He just made it so he was like,
Good driving.
I cut right in front of his ass and tried to get out of his way. Hold on, let me bring it back there.
I just made like 10 passes in a row. With that thing.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Oh, he got you. Losi got you. Losi got you. Losi got his ass. 2.5, 2.9. Nice run, bro. Yep. There you go.
I'll give you a call later.
Ooh, he walked him down. Right lane, he walked him down. Nice run.
That Losi's a killer tonight.
Gotta turn the brake down on. That's why I keep flipping. Whoever.
No, I mean right there.
Oh, yeah. Who? This guy right here?
Yeah.
Oh, come on.
I give him the
I'm
break.
not that fast.
You're beating me, so I'm
No, you're more consistent than me.
No, you beat me every race.
What is that thing? Buggy now? You know you do? We come up with something new.
Bandit.
I never seen that little. Look at that little tires on that thing. That thing will fly.
So, I had the Willie bar too low.
Well, it was sparking.
I can't see that
I
motherfucker.
haven't beat you once, Josh. You got me.
I gotta win a couple of these races one of these days. I'll race somebody. Whoever wants to use this guy.
Alright, I'm gonna try to come out a little harder next time. Huh?
I'm just hitting that corner every time.
That steering is,
Yeah, wait, oh, you mean like...
thing, so nobody steps on it.
That's so funny. Yeah, I can't hammer on me, but...
Left lane.
I didn't get on it till the end.
I love the headlight. Me too, because I would never be able to race right now if I didn't have them.
Oh, you're like me with guys.
I'm gonna just come out full throttle.
2.6.
2.3? Oh, let me come out full throttle one time. I mean, you get that right lane, dog. Let me come out one time all the way. I've been playing because I'm scared of hitting.
You make good passes every time.
That Willie bar though. Oh, you should let me go against that little shit.
Things at the end.
You want to race me with it?
Go ahead, do your thing. I'll get you next time.
Lock it in. Got the beam.
Oh, hell no.
Yeah, Josh, you getting it, buddy.
Damn, that shit came out the hole.
So what was the time on that right one?
2727. It's coming out the hole, but it's falling flat on his face.
Yeah, well, I got the gear. I just got to put it in. But we're going to do that.
Who I jump? You?
It was
Bring that thing back up here. Let's go.
you want to ride it, John?
Yeah.
No, God, do it again. Get some hits.
I want to see nobody.
Proud of you, Russell. You're doing good with this.
My name's Brian, but thank you.
See, that's what it was doing on me.
That shit spit shit all in my mouth. That shit only went down my throat. That's crazy.
Just get a rock shower.
Yeah, that shit is crazy.
Hey, what's that car that's parked way up there in the corner?
Where?
Yes.
I don't know, too foggy.
All I can see is lights.
This whole shit got dark. Oh, this whole shit got dark. This is the only parking lot. Oh, that. What? 2.6? 2.6 in that right lane. Is my what?
Pink car, the Matera.
Nah, that's a RS4. Turn that hand, just turn the remote, the thing.
there's definitely a 2-3.
I see him
2-3,
coming, I
1-2-4.
nailed that bitch, but out the hole, I can't nail it out the hole. I wish I could come out the hole full throttle with this shit. I gotta get into it.
No. That's probably killing the battery.
Yeah, definitely. That boy's out having a blast, huh?
Trying to fuck my leg again.
I watched it. I don't want to go against the grain.
I got y'all. I'll see y'all. Red lighter. You hungry?
I don't think you touched the scissors. You can hear it though. I think when I went to house. I blew his phone up. He wasn't answering me. Fucking good.
Oh, Brian, look at him on the light.
He damn sure.
He was facing the camera.
Took the light.
Nah, he jumped like a motherfucker. I'm surprised he ain't red light.
I did not deserve it, y'all.
Nice steering, nice driving.
He takes off like a monster.
We'll be back when we'll represent as much as we
I
can.
got 10. I'm getting it ready to go this week.
I don't know, I'm not sure.
Oh, that's probably what it is then.
Believe it or not.
Whoa.
Bitch is rolling now. Oh,
I'm dropping.
Ready?
I said the other one.
Shut down. Yeah.
There wasn't much of a gap there. There was, but it was in the left lane.
Tires fucked up.
I read where.
I was going to say that was going to happen.
Oh, that was a close one.
On the roof.
It did.
Tires grip up out the hole. That shit hit.
Even like 3 times
Tape,
longer.
like something really, really
That's
good
what I
tape.
have, Gorilla. Gorilla black duct tape. Yeah, we got all work together.
That's what I use, Gorilla Tape.
Yeah, I got the primes, but
They fucking ripped.
it hit my body and it ripped the fucking tire, right? They're very soft, so.
Okay, Kevin's in there. Kevin was there. He just missed that cone, but he drove it.
And he got him. Nah,
The red light.
Get that Losi. Get his ass.